This has gone from 0 to 100 real bloody quick.
An hour ago we were just drinking Guinness minding our own.
Yeah, now we're here. Whoopee! G'day, boys! I know I haven't uploaded something in ages, but I want to get through my European adventure that I did back in May before I go on to explain what I've been up to lately. So, this is the first of 3 videos rounding up that European trip back in the day. I've already edited them, so they're going to be up, obviously, right now, 6 p.m. Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Thanks for sticking around. Comment down below if I don't know how to YouTube anymore. On with the video! Today's the day that the boys visit Dubs.
We're going to Dublin.
And she goes home, unfortunately.
Sexy, I know.
Hey Dan,
What?
what's one thing we need to do in Dublin?
Don't die.
Don't die and drink Guinness. Bye Liz.
Bye.
It's been wonderful for you to be our Barcelonian tour
I didn't get you
guide.
lost.
It's totes emotion.
It's totes emotion. Boys are in Dublin. We bloody made it.
Waiting for it to come all the way back round again. I was like, and chase that bastard round.
Got it. Turns out we don't need Liz. The boys can do it on our own. Made it to our hotel room / little guest house in Dublin, Ireland. You know, this is the space. This is the space. It looks alright, you know? But the thing is, I think all of their budget was just spent to the bathroom because this is a temple. Hey, look at all of that. Wow.
You're moving in the closet. What? Yeah. It's alright.
I'm sorry.
It's not smashed yet.
I'm sorry.
How many beers you had today?
None. Speaking of which,
How many beers are we going to have today?
let's get a Guinness. We're on the Halfpenny Bridge. Apparently this was the thing to see. And we're here. Tourists.
Guinness.
There it is. Give me a cheers.
Totes emotion. Let's get it stuck on.
See you tomorrow. Next bar. This is bar number.
I can't remember.
Hypothetical, you get given the chance to go to see the Rolling Stones, maybe the last time you ever go see the Rolling Stones. What's our budget? I don't want to pay more than $100. That's my budget. 100 euros.
We could go Gold Circle, 250 euros.
No, I don't want to do that. Hypothetical / serious question. Do we want to go see the Rolling Stones for €83?
I could probably do it.
We bought Stones tickets.
This is what Guinness does to us.
Yep. Dan, on a scale from 1 to didn't know this was happening.
I didn't know this was happening.
Correct.
Are you hiccuping?
I haven't stopped hiccuping for the last 15 minutes. We're all seeing the same thing. We're very, very keen for it. Look at them all. Oh, we got the tickets. Yeah, thank you. We're actually going.
It's got worse today.
Bloody view! G'day, boys! Whoa, g'day! Oh, you're looking at a couple of boys just wanting to get to their hotel room before they go out to the club.
Hey Dan, let's just talk about last night for a second.
You are bloody joking!
How about you put some pants on first?
Never! So we decided to have a proper Guinness, and from there,
Totes ops.
it just basically went from strength to strength. Now I'm a pantless, somewhat hungover, not really, but yes, really at the same time, sick man because of Dan. But it's time to go see more of Dublin. There's definitely a different energy from today to yesterday. Yesterday we were full of hope, now we're just defeated young boys. We've stumbled across Dublin Castle, so we're gonna go explore Dublin Castle.
Bing bong banadun, da 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 da.
There isn't that much space into the tower, but from the outside the tower looked massive because these terrace here on my left hand side where I asked you to stop, this is the wall of the tower.
Grammy boy.
This is a procession of state rooms. It's one after the other.
And that concludes our tour. Dan, thoughts?
Totes mosh.
Totes a mosh. Wasn't too bad.
It's a bit warm in there.
Yeah. The best fact that we got was what Dublin means. Comes from Dublin, didn't you say? Did she say that? It comes from Dublin.
What does?
The word Dublin.
Dublin comes from dirty puddle, black pool.
Facts with Dan.
We're back here at the Stag's Head, where, yes, yesterday we found out about the Rolling Stones tickets. Taxi.
Off on his own.
Cheers, mate.
Cheers.
Right, drink.
Cheers.
Wait, wait.
Chug chug.
Mate, look, Australia, we haven't talked about that, mate. It's close. That's fucking 3 hours over. No, it's not.
People fall in love with mysterious ways. Birthday gift, happy birthday to you. We're down, 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 the face still mine.
Get out, mate. No, 3 hours out.
Is it Bruce? How do you say cheers? This is how you say, let's get f***ed up in Norwegian.
Jeg har lyst
Or
bli dritings.
Close to Dorite.
It's literally not a million miles away.
Jeg har lyst å bli dritings.
So three things.
Dritings.
Three things.
Yes.
It's like greetings with a D. Currently 4:28 in the morning.
Saturday?
Yeah, it's Saturday. This is the boys almost signing up from an evening. We just need some food. Then we just need to head home, get some breakfast, and then we're heading to Amsterdam.
And if anyone could give us directions to home, that'd be great.
The greatest thing about being awake at 5 a.m. is that the Temple Bar is closed. Only few people are around. This is what it looks like from the outside when no one is around. Normally these streets are absolutely lined with people. This is Halfpenny Bridge at 5 a.m. when no one's around. The sun's coming up just behind us. This is actually a pretty sick time to see the sights. I should have brought my proper camera, but all I've got is my phone, so.
Good morning, Dublin. I hate you. I also love you. I have 20 or so minutes before we have to leave this place. Back to Halfpenny Bridge for like the third time.
Today.
experiencing the whole Ed Sheeran thing. Jesus.
We saw it.
We didn't need to go and see him, that was on.
Lunch is served.
Nice.
Tesco have like these meal deal things, and we've just ravished them for the plane. What I missed, girls, there. Oh, here we go, here we go, here we go. Boys are off to Amsterdam. Welcome to Dublin Airport. Again. Ireland, you've been bloody beautiful, but Amsterdam is cooling out, mate. That's it, boys. We're in the dam. We've made it to our hotel, but we think we've gotten to the wrong hotel. I don't know what happened. Would it just be easy to get an Uber or something?
Yeah, that's always easier.
How much would a taxi be?
If we call a taxi, it will be around 60, 70 euros.
Yeah, he was saying it's like it'll be like 40 or something like that.
Might do that then.
That's easier. You can also take the free shuttle bus back to the airport again and then take a train from there.
We'll just take a taxi.
Yeah, that'd be grand. Perfect. Thank you very much.
Have a nice day.
That's the right hotel.
Yeah. Oh, look, it's Cam. Hello. I might wait that tomorrow. Look at the view. Phew. We're in Amsterdam, boys. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Cam, this is Dan, and we have 36 hours in Amsterdam, and this is how we're going to spend it.